few minutes for Fade to Black. Episode 14 starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black. Now, I know it's been a minute since my last upload, but I'm telling you, it has been like crazy madness. Tons of cars. Thanks to all the shops that feed me work. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks to all my customers for being patient, because right now at the end of July, I am booked out well into August. Like I said, I'm just trying to do my best. I'm only one person. I'm the IT guy, I'm the tinter, I'm the worker, I'm the scheduler, I'm the secretary. All that is just me, and I'm trying to do the best I can. So please be patient, and please understand that, you know, it is really busy right now, but I'm trying to take care of everyone as best as I can. Since the weather is nice, I am back in the shop. This place is just a complete mess. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I haven't had a lot of time to clean it up, but it's like a lot of things out here that I do wanna clean up. But I wanna show you some little updates of what's been going on with some of the vehicles, the Fade to Black project shop turd truck. Man, I'm just trying to keep that thing rolling because I like to be able to use that to put miles on it, since I do so much driving. And also Chevy Caprice, we've gotten a lot of stuff done with that. I haven't even filmed that, but I'm gonna show you guys that right now. The stand video, I showed you guys about the stand a long time ago. I am rocking the stand in here out in the shop. I'm still using my stand all the time. Independent when I do mobile, I take my stand with me. It's worked really well. I have a video on that. You guys can check that out up here. But let's check out the Caprice right now, and I want to show you what I've done with the Silverado. So believe it or not, this is the first time I've had all the wheels and tires. The first time I've had it sitting on the ground. I like the way it sits. I like the way the front tire is right here. This is stock level height. Back here, I put some Monte Carlo SS springs and air shocks on it, so I got the little squat game going on in the back. I got the 24-inch concave wheels. I finally got those on, so I am liking the way that looks. We still have a lot more to do to it, but like I said, this is the first time I've had all wheels and tires on the ground. So the Caprice, I think, is looking good. You still see I got tons of parts on top, so we gotta get the engine dialed in and get it running good. I might have to do a little bit of trimming up here in the fender because it is tight. It's not rubbing yet, but of course I don't want to be rolling around like that. But so I'll probably try to do some trimming out of there to get it to fit good. It is a really close, as you can see back there, but I think the 24s look good on the Caprice right now. So I'm excited about that. We got all underneath done. We got new brakes, we got new rotors, new pads, calipers, it's been coated, new springs, new air shocks, new sending unit. Like I said before, the Caprice has got a lot done to it, believe it or not. Like I said, it's been a while since I had an update, but things are coming along with the Caprice. Also on the Silverado, man, I drive this thing all the time. I don't know about you, but you guys just have that vehicle that's just kind of like your favorite vehicle. I got the 2015 Impala. You guys have seen tons of video on that, but I like driving my Silverado. Now, it's one of those things that from up close, it is not gonna look good at all. From a little bit of a distance, it doesn't look too bad. But trust me, it is not that great. It will not be winning any car shows anytime soon. But I needed new tires on it, so I went ahead and found this little 22-inch Cadillac Rep and threw some tires on it. I think it make it look, you know, halfway decent when it's rolling down the road. I'm just trying to keep it running. We had a little issue with the water pump, so we just got that fixed. I put new brakes on it. Like I said, from a distance, it doesn't look too bad. So when I originally got this truck, I thought about doing some black wheels if I ever were to fix it up. But like I said, I found these chrome rims. Chrome rims look pretty good on there. So maybe I'm bringing chrome back. We got chrome on the Caprice, we got chrome on the Silverado. So I don't know, maybe it's chrome for 2020 or Fade to Black. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Anyways, like I said before, this is just my shop truck. I just drive it. I just put the miles on it. AC is cold. Heat is hot for winter, in the cooler months. And you know, I'm just gonna roll it. Now, I'm thinking pretty soon, I would like to get the visor strip off of this thing and probably do a full windshield again. I'll probably just do a full 50% ceramic on there. I will have a video of that when I do it. I've been just kind of messing around lately, been pretty busy, but I'm gonna take that visor strip off and just go full windshield and 50% ceramic. So there will be a video on that coming soon. I think I'm just, that heat from the end of the visor down, the heat just roasts me when I'm driving back to Marshfield on the summer days. So I think I'll be doing that pretty soon, but just stay tuned for that, man. Like I said before, I got videos on deck. I'm just trying to get them out when I can. I've been super busy, so I apologize for that. I'm trying to answer questions that people have on the channel when I get time. I try to answer those questions. But other than that, man, like I said before, it's just a few minutes for Fade to Black. Thank you to all you subscribers that have subscribed over the last few months. Even though I haven't been putting out a lot of content, man, I appreciate you guys. And like I said before, I'll be back when I get more time. Until then, stay faded. Peace.